Hi, I'm Mike Regan with TranzAct's 2-Minute Warning for the week of August 12th. At TranzAct, we're proud of the fact that we're recognized as industry experts in the area of motor carrier pricing. And that's why hundreds of shippers have used us to negotiate billions and billions of dollars worth of contracts over the years. Now, in this 2-minute warning, we want to pass along some extremely important information that could potentially impact your LTL freight cost, as well as the kind of contracts that you negotiate with your LTL carriers. Now, specifically, last week a friend of mine sent me a note and asked me if we had any thoughts or comments about what's going to be discussed at the upcoming meeting of the National Motor Freight Classification Committee. This is a very important committee with a collection of carriers that comes together and makes decisions that affects the class freight-based process that we use here in the United States. Now, at their meeting at the end of September, they're going to be talking about density-based pricing. Now, in previous 2-minute warnings, we've talked about the fact that we see more and more carriers moving to a density-based pricing platform. But the reality of it is that a lot of shippers are not paying attention to how this move to density-based pricing could potentially impact their freight budgets. So that's something we're going to want to pay attention to and keep our eye on. Now, the second area we're also encouraging you to do is to pay attention to what's in your motor carrier contracts. And the reason we bring this up is because a couple of weeks ago, somebody sent me a transportation contract, asked me to take a look at it, but one of the comments they made was they said we have full CARMAC protection in this contract. And what they were saying is that the carriers would be responsible or liable for the actual value of the freight on a shipment that was lost or damaged. Well, we took a look at the contract, and guess what? It had a released value rate of $15 a pound. So while the shipper thought they had full CARMAC protection, in fact, the carrier had a released value rate clause in there, which would limit their liability. Now, with each and every 2-minute warning, we're here to remind you, we are on your team and we're here to help, which is why if you have some comments or some questions or want more information about how density-based pricing would affect your LTL freight cost, or if you want more information about how you can negotiate great freight contracts, give us a call today. Thanks for your time.